Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. Today is January 31st, and I'm going to do an update on my single seed challenge. It's appeared to change. It's putting out its first set of true leaves, which is rather quick. This thing is, it was actually potted in here on the 17th, I believe. But it has this extra one growing up from the seed, and all of my grapefruit seeds that I planted has at least one extra one coming up, and I'm not sure if they tend to want to grow from a bush from the seeds or what, but anyway, I'm going to, as you see, I got rid of that extra one, and I'm going to train this into a single stem. Probably keep it fairly short because I'm going to grow it in a container. But anyway, that's my update. It's doing great. It's taking off, like I say, with those first true leaves coming out. It's going to really be great. But anyway, if you don't know what the single seed challenge is, you can go to Black Gumbo's YouTube channel. That's Scott Head, and he's the one that started this a few years back. And what it is you take a single seed and you watch it. From the time that you plant it, you video it, document this, selecting your seed, putting it in the ground, and the transformation as it goes along. Now, last year I didn't do very good with mine. It did grow good, but I didn't keep up with the documentation on it. But this year I'm going to do different, and I've got kind of an ambitious seed this year. I'm sure it's not going to fruit this year, but it's definitely on its way to a good start. So anyway, if you want to follow along, just hit that subscribe button, hit the bell button so you'll be notified, and give it a big thumbs up. Happy gardening.